Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to add and how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the percentage on the status bar just like I have, all you have to do is to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down a little bit to find notifications and control center. Now we have to scroll down and tap on status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the battery indicator option, so let's tap on it. Here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this one, so only graphical option with the battery indicator. This is the option I had previously applied, so the percentage is inside the battery icon, so it is visible, but it is quite small. And we've got also the option to apply the percentage next to the battery icon, and for sure it is the most kind of visible option to choose from. Of course, it's up to you which option you want to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.